Okay, before starting, as usual, thanks for all the sponsors that allowed this symposium to be possible, and especially Qualcomm, that is the sponsor of this demo award. So before starting, just a little bit of a surprise. So we will have 2 runner-up awards because we end up having the same amount of votes for those. So let's see. The first one is the demo real-time system availability for cyber physical system using ARM Trust Zone. I invite here Wenyi Wang, Hao Li, Haoran Li, Chewang Lu, Ming Yizhang, sorry for my pronunciation, to come here and take a picture of the award here. Thank you so much for the award. Five votes up to 36 votes. And this is the second runner-up award, Physically Hijacking Object Tracker, Raymond Muller, Yang Man, Berkay Selik, Ming Li, and Ryan Gederes. Please come here and take the awards. And now for the best demo award, I think I will give the floor to Zimin.
So the best demo goes to infrared laser reflection attacks against traffic sign recognition systems. And the authors are Takami Sato, Sri Rushikesh, Bhupasi Raju, Michael Cleave, Takeshi Saguararo, Alfred Chen, and Sarah Rampazzi. So, congratulations.
Thanks.